Hi, good morning, guys. All right, so I saw this pattern, and you remember we've been seeing quite a bit of this one, so I just decided to get in there for a short. Went in with 950 shares because based on the price target, we were only gonna be allowed to get that, and 10. So I just went it for a 1-to-1. It's under $3 or under 250. So I just went with the just basic 950 there. So we're in it with a short sell. Want to take it back here to 38.2. Just waiting for this thing to drop. Hope everybody's doing well. Got in for a nice pop on APOP. Okay, so all my lines here was where I thought it was gonna hit, and it did. It did this one here and then broke through. And these are my support resistance lines. Let's see if I can get that to you. And I don't really like to talk about what I did because if you're not seeing it, it's neither here nor there. But yeah, I drew my lines here and for this support resistance line, resistance here, and then I also did this one here because there was another support resistance here. This one I did, let me see, what was the reason for this one? This one I just, well, actually I was trying to hit here, but it was just in between there. So I did not come out at this one. I came out here on this one, and I got a little scared, but then it popped all the way up. So I missed all of this from 350 to 380, but I did get in here just above VWAP. So 270, I think I got in at 275 and came out at 335. So yeah, that was good. I'm comfortable with that. So, you know, but this was what I saw this morning, this pattern here. Pop, came back down, and then rallied right up. But as usual, I came out too early. But yeah, we're looking at DYNT now for a drop to my 38.2 because of this pattern that I've been starting. And this has been coming up quite recently. I hadn't noticed this until maybe the last part of January to early February. I started seeing this pattern. So I started watching it, and it's always been bearish. So I want to come out here on the 38.2, which is also major support resistance. I already have that set. It's at $2. So just waiting here. If we had fixed it, it might have been, well, it says 199, but I think this got shifted. Let me just take that out and put that back in. All right, so I want to get out here on the 50% line because the 50% line is the support resistance, and that's 199, but I have it as $2 here, so I'm just going to leave it at that. So for those of you who are just joining us, what I do, I have $2,000 in equity because with Webull, as long as you have 2,000 equity, you can go either long or short, and these are my ratio: 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, all the way to 6-to-1. I have my stock price in, and this is just if you want to, you know, it's just, this is just my formulas, so I can put whatever I have, and it'll just tell me instantly what share quantity I can have within the ratio. So we saw that we could get 950, so we went in with 950. Went for a drop to the 50% line as well as the support resistance line. I hope by now some of you can spot the patterns because they're pretty easy, and that's just the easiest way I've found with trading. Just look for your pattern, learn your patterns. Everything has patterns. All right, we're coming up to our, it should be sold. All right, so yeah, there we are. So within just a few minutes, I think less than 10 minutes, just made $121. I was gonna come in today. I wasn't gonna come in today because market is popping and everything's looking good, but I just wanted to just emphasize this pattern which I've been showing you for the last couple videos, just so you can see that I'm not lying. Whenever this pattern shows up, even though it looks bullish, it is actually bearish. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me. Very quick, short video. So catch you on the flip side, guys. Have a very productive rest of the day, rest of the week if I don't get back on here. And remember to like, subscribe, and share, and ring that notification bell for whenever I upload a video. And also, I do have these on my blog, so you can go over and check them out as well. All right, take care, guys. All the best. Goodbye.